What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video, man. Today, doing a little drive, man. So I recently put in downpipes and an intake. So you guys better hear that. I'm saying the car's way louder and kind of faster. But yeah, I got the intakes in. I wish I did a video when I installed it, but I just didn't. I forgot to do a video when I installed the downpipes too. I didn't install it, somebody else installed it for me, but yeah, I wish I did a video on that. But yeah, about to go for a little drive. I'm gonna catch up back with y'all, man. Peace. I wish I had a head mount or something, bro. Should be so much easier. I don't know if y'all can hear the intake now. Probably not, though. I don't know if y'all can even hear for real. Little pop for the popskis. This was a little slippery. No way, that nigga's turning, bro. New York niggas don't know where they be going, bro. Like, damn, son. You drive slow and shit. I let up earlier. I thought it was a cop. Yeah, this shit sounds nice. It sounds decent, I guess. Doubt if I heard that intake or anything, bro. That shit sounds crazy. But this bitch is looking slipping, bro. It's just all-wheel drive. Heck, what's going on, Friday? Don't look, you scared to do like a full pull, bro. That's wet, bro. Like, that's why I crashed my car last time. But I was going fast though. That's good. Like, I said bad tires on my car. I need to get a head mount for sure though. I need to get like a GoPro or something. I don't know. I already got a camera, but it's just hard to use while driving. A big ass camera. Is that a cop right there? No, it's not. Alright. But when I get in the city with this shit, it sounds insane, bro. This just sounds stupid. crazy. Yeah, this bitch slipping a little bit. Should. It's just slipping. This car sounds insane though. Nah, I don't know if I want to put a tuner in this car. I don't know, bro. It's like, I don't know if it's reliable or not. You feel me? Like, I don't know if it's gonna mess up my car because I gotta drive this shit all the time. So, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know if it's reliable. If y'all know, I'm saying, if you got a tuner on Q50 or someone got a tuner on Q50, like, is it reliable or nah? Like, let me know. You feel me? Let's go home right here. Damn! It's that dump. Motherfucking dump truck. I'm not trying to go on that road. That shit got mad late. Haven't been back here in a minute. Wish I had done this another time, but it's been raining like every day, bro, this whole week. So it's like, to drive. Damn. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Hit that thumbs up, man, subscribe button, man. Let me know what other videos y'all want me to see. And I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.